Hi friends, today I want to show you this hair dryer. Came in this box. Negative ion high speed dryer. Cool. Have this accessory. And this is full dryer. Have this form, it's pink, that's beautiful. Have these bottoms. This is for the intensity, and this is for change the temperature of the hair. So as you can see, my hair is totally wet. I'm gonna use it with this accessory right here. So as fast like that, my hair is completely dry. As you can see, this side still wet, but this side in just minutes, it's totally dry. I love this dryer. I'm gonna use it the other side without the accessory. So we are ready. As quick like that, my hair is completely dry in both sides. I think that all the temperatures are perfect and the intensity of the air help you to finish so quick so you can save time in the mornings. I highly recommend it to try it. See you.